Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something important: how to learn English. Learning English can be fun and easier than you think if we approach it the right way. So, I'm going to share some useful tips with you. 1. Start by listening. Let me tell you a story. When I was young, I didn't know any English, and it scared me. But then, I started listening to stories in English every day. Slowly, I began to understand. The words became clearer, and my fear disappeared. Listening is very important. When you listen, you hear new words, learn how to pronounce them, and understand how to use them. Listen to English stories, songs, or even the news daily. It really helps. 2. Practice speaking. They say, practice makes perfect, and it's true. When I was learning, I practiced speaking English every day, even if I made mistakes. Mistakes are okay, they help you learn. Don't be afraid to speak English often. The more you practice, the better you get. 3. Read often. Reading is a great way to learn new words and understand sentence structure. Start with simple books, especially those with pictures. Once, I read a story about a lost cat. It was simple, but I loved it and learned many new words. The more I read, the better my English became. Read as much as you can. 4. Write regularly. Writing helps you practice using new words and form sentences. Start small. Write about your day, your family, or your dreams. I kept a notebook and wrote in it daily. I made mistakes, but I learned from them, and my confidence grew. Writing regularly is very beneficial. 5. Watch English videos. Watching videos, cartoons, movies, or shows in English is both fun and educational. You hear how people speak and learn new words. I once watched a cartoon about a funny dog. It made me laugh, but I also learned new words. Watching videos improves your understanding and pronunciation. 6. Talk to people. If you have friends who speak English, practice with them. If not, you can find people online who are also learning English. Talking helps you improve your skills. I had a friend who corrected my mistakes, and this helped me a lot. 7. Be patient. Learning a new language takes time. Don't expect to be perfect right away. Every small step counts. When I felt frustrated, I didn't give up, I kept going, and I improved. Be patient and persistent. 8. Use a dictionary. A dictionary is your best friend when learning new words. Whenever you find a word you don't know, look it up, learn the meaning, and practice using it in a sentence. I always carried a small dictionary with me. 9. Play games. Learning through games makes it fun. Play word games, puzzles, or quizzes in English. When I played word games with my friends, I learned new words without even realizing it. 10. Think in English. This may be challenging at first, but try to think in English. I started thinking in English, and eventually, it became natural. This will improve your fluency. 11. Set goals. Goals keep you focused. Start with small goals, like learning 5 new words a day or reading 1 page of a book. Achieving these goals will motivate you to keep going. 12. Review what you learn. Regular review helps you remember. Go over your notes, reread your old writings, and listen to familiar stories. Reviewing helps reinforce your knowledge. 13. Stay positive. A positive attitude makes learning easier. Believe in yourself, and don't let mistakes discourage you. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and they are part of learning. 14. Enjoy the journey. Learning English is a journey full of discoveries. Enjoy it. When I focused on the fun aspects, I learned faster. 15. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English music, watch English movies, and change your phone settings to English. The more you immerse yourself, the faster you'll learn. 16. Repeat and repetition. Repetition is key to remembering new information. Repeat words and sentences until they feel natural. 17. Use flashcards. Flashcards are an effective tool for memorizing new words. I reviewed mine whenever I had free time. 18. Stay consistent. Practice a little every day. Consistency leads to progress. Even a few minutes each day adds up. 19. Celebrate your progress. Every achievement, big or small, deserves celebration. This keeps you motivated and shows how far you've come. 20. Use online resources. Apps, websites, and videos can make learning interactive and fun. Explore them to enhance your skills. Final thoughts. Remember, learning English is an adventure. Stay curious, be patient, and enjoy every step. Believe in yourself, you can do it.